Connect this voltage transformer, and when you use it, please plug this to 110. Okay, this is input selector. Use your right one, and then you connect this one output to 220. So first we connect here. Okay, this transformer. So we plug all these. This is the main power for the machine. Okay, this is for your laptop. Here are these wires. This is the main power. Connect here. This is the connector. Connect your machine to your laptop. Okay, it's very easy. USB connector. And this one, if you would like to use, is for foot switch. And you can see it's here. Okay, foot switch. Plug it in and hold it. So for the connectors, we all got it right, and then we start to use the machine. You open your laptop first.它这个没装外置红光啊，装外置红光啊。但是它有写了，没写是吧？First, we turn on the software, EasyCAD, EasyCAD. Okay. Then we start edit the content you want to mark. Okay. Let's say this is create the text, and we will give you a manual book for the software using. Please read it carefully before you operate the machine, and you get to know how to use the software more easier. Okay. And here you can see we change the text content here, like optic, laser. All right. Anytime you make a change in this software, okay, remember to click on this button, apply. All right. And here is the fonts. Okay, you can change to different fonts. And let's say this one. So apply. Okay. And as you can see, this is all lines. Okay, as we call it is double line. Right, it's double line. So we can check what it looks like when we mark on it. And first we put when you finish editing the content you need to mark, we can open these buttons, give them power. This is for scanner and this is for laser. Okay, these two open, and you can see here is a red dot here. So we click on the F1 red. Here it shows where it marks. We confirm the size and the content is marked, and then we click on the mark. Okay. So you can see it only marks lines. Okay, it only marks the lines. And we give you a different effect, is that we add hatching. The hatching means we add lines inside of the content, and let's see. For example, we give it the line space is 0.05, and below that part we don't need to change that, and click OK. So you can see it's all become solid. Okay. So we still mark and check the effect. So you see, it marks inside, and the lines goes inside. So the effect is that this is solid. And for easy use, okay, these are the tools, and what you need to change is normally on this side. It is for the parameter settings, okay. We don't choose this, don't click here, and we can change the different speed and power, okay. Normally for the frequency and pulse wise, such as this below this, we don't need to change any of that because we have finished testing for you, and it's the best effect. So what we need to consider is the speed and power. With different speed and different power, there will be different effects. We will show you on the next video. Okay. So. Well, before we start and mark the content, your products, first we need to find the focus. Okay, take this for example. You push, click here, continuous. Okay, so then it will continue marking, and we start marking. This light is very strong, so is the autofocus. If we change the pillar height, you can see there's no effect. All the laser power is very weak, so this is not on the focus. Okay, now it is on. So you see, this is stainless steel. On stainless steel, you can mark different colors and effects. For example, this is golden color, and this is white color, and we will show you black color next. And we tell you how. For example, we change the speed to 1000 and power to 30%. Okay, this is on focus. This is on focus. You see? It's white. And we add the power. Add the power to 80%. Let's see how's the effect. 是特跟我说的。See, it's gold color, okay, white gold. And I show you how to mark black. To mark black, we need high power and low speed. Change the speed to 200. And then another thing is that it cannot be under focus, so we need to adjust a little. So first we click the continuous and then see where it marks. Okay, mark here. So we start. Now it's on the focus. Okay, now it's on the focus. We need it not on the focus. Through different pillar height, okay, so you can see there is different effect coming out. See, so those what you need to adjust and change is speed, power, and the pillar height, and the pillar height. Also, here in the hatching, the line space also affects a lot. For example, we change this to 0.01, so the line will be very tight and not loose. Okay, here it is, and you will see the marking effect. The speed will be slower, and the effect will be different as well. Okay, we see the speed is much lower than the first one we saw.说的不对。